Hi everyone, it's Anna from TravelJoy here. Copilot can now help you add past proposals and library items to your in-progress proposals. Let's take a look, starting with this library button right here in the Copilot sidebar, where we can start searching for a past proposal. I'm going to go ahead and add in this proposal that I created before to Greece. And what we're going to see is Copilot will ask us if we want to start from scratch or add them to any existing content here. In this case, option 2 doesn't really apply to me, so I'm going to go ahead and just ask for option 1 to start from scratch with my past proposal. And we can see that Copilot has added in the full proposal that I created previously, just like I'd expect. Next, let's add in a hotel from my library. This time, instead of clicking the button, I can also just simply type in @ in the text box to search my past proposals and library items anytime. So let's try that. I'm going to ask Copilot to replace the hotel with this other one that I want to recommend to my clients instead. Sending that off. And we'll see Copilot is removing the past hotel and adding in the new one here. All right, we hope you give it a try. Thanks.